Hello, I'm Arthur Bletchley. I'm a chartered valuation surveyor in Cardiff, UK, and I'm with Be Valued Limited. And I sometimes get asked how I monitor my caseload and income in my business. So, being a one-man band and a simple country boy, I use something simple, Excel, to do it with. And in this video, I'm going to show you the principles of how I do that. So on this slide, I got various columns. So going across the top, we got the property which is to be valued or surveyed, the service to be provided to the customer, which is an RICS home survey, level 2 survey or survey and valuation, or a plain market valuation, or whatever. The fee that's been agreed with the client. We've got a space for the invoice date, client's name, and the address of the client if different to the property to be surveyed or valued. So down here I've got the totals of the work in hand, the work to be invoiced, and indeed work paid, which is going to go down bottom right. I highlight in yellow those cases where the inspection has yet to be arranged. And as soon as it is arranged, then the highlighting comes off. And then when the property has been inspected and the report issued, then I take the case up to the next level so it's ready for invoicing. And you'll see here that the totals are changing just slightly. And then when it is invoiced, put the date of the invoice in. And then when it's paid, it comes down here, bottom right. So I've got a note of how much money that I've made throughout the year. And as subsequent cases come in, then I can search on the postcode to see if there's any conflict of interest. And that'll search both on properties surveyed or valued and the home addresses of clients. And you'll see that I've got another tab for timetable, so I can simply timetable the work out to make sure that I'm not taking too much on at a time. And really it's as simple as that, because I don't want anything complicated. You can see that I got it all arranged, the work that's been invoiced arranged all by years, so I can quickly look that up. Now, if there was anything different that I do now, having used this for some time, it's perhaps unusual cases. I'd have another column for that. So, for example, if you make a note of PRC houses, if they're a Cornish, for example, it would be useful just to stick that in, or perhaps something if it's got private drainage, anything unusual like that, so that when you've got a new case in, you can quickly filter back and then look up how you dealt with it in a previous case. I think that would be a useful thing to do. Well, many thanks for watching. All the best.